Hello, good afternoon. How are you? I hope you are fine. So, I have found, I think, the perfect solution for you to send me your recordings regarding the listening. How does it work? Well, I have sent you this that will arrive to your email address if you are here in my B2 class, but I know that some of you are not in the B2 class. Antonio, Raquel, Carmen, Maria Jesus. So, I open this link and here you have to write the password. The password is, I'm gonna show you. Cristina, my name, the first one with capital letter, with a big C. Let's go and we come here. This is our class and this is our task. So first you press here.
ISE 2. Task 1.
And you listen to the recording. Then you will send me here your recording with your what you hear, what you listen to. So first you have to log in. You need to have either a Google or a Microsoft account. I have a Google account. I am in flipgrid with this account, so I will open it with this other account, which is a different one from mine. So now I'm my own student. So this is what you will see. Sorry for my mess, but I don't want you to see me. I can hide. For example, if I take this, you don't see me anymore. Or what else can I do? If I take this, I am hidden. Okay, so let's see how it works. Okay, don't you find it exciting? I do. Now, if you want to write me something, you can write me here. Hello. I find this very difficult or not, okay? And then you leave it. What else can you do? You can show the topic. So in case this is stupid, but if it's another task, then you can read it again. What did I have to do with my video? Oh, I have to say this, I don't know, this twister. And I say a twister in English. I can put a filter. So if you don't want that I see you, you can write this, this, you know, many things. And you can draw so that you can see that I cannot close this cupboard. And now I can record myself. So I press 3, 2, 1, go. Hello, and the listening, the advantages, the disadvantages, blah, blah. I have set already 1 minute here, so that you know that you can talk only for 1 minute. Then you press, if you don't like it, oh, it was wrong. Then you redo it, and you send it to the letter, and you do it again. Then you press next. Hello, and the listening, the advantages, the disadvantages, blah, blah. I could add more. Oh, let's stop it. I could add more. I could say, oh, I had just remembered one thing. And then you add more. Next. Then you have to take a selfie so that I see your face. In the selfie, you also can choose whatever you want. You can say, I don't know. You can also take this. Hello. You can do something. I don't know this. Okay. So then to take your picture. I look like a rabbit. And next, it's preparing. Name, title, listening. 16 April. Sorry, April. And then you can send me a link or not. and then you just press submit video. Congrats, you have submitted the video. You could download the video or you could have this link, but it is not on the YouTube, it is not on my WAV file. I cannot do anything with it. So it's very secure. I hope it can be of our use and we managed to do that.